Hey guys, Lee Cole here. Hope you're doing great. First thing you need to do wherever you're looking at this video is you need to subscribe to my channel. If you're looking at the video, then down just below the video on the right hand side, you'll see a subscribe button. Click that. Make sure you click the bell right next to it so you get notified whenever we upload a video. We upload at least one cool money-making informational video about internet marketing per day. So you're going to want to know all about this. What you're looking at right now, you're looking at the inside of one of my channels. And this is my internet marketing channel. And I was actually talking with one of my coaching groups about this the other day, and I thought it would just make a fabulous video for my playlist about how to start a successful YouTube channel with a phone. And what I want to talk to you about is TubeBuddy. And you can see that I've got TubeBuddy right here. And TubeBuddy basically has a ton of things on it that will help you build your channel faster. I'm not going to go into everything. I may go into some more stuff in other videos, but I want to on this video, because we in the coaching group we were talking about keywords and how do you choose good keywords to rank videos for. That's extremely important stuff. I mean, you can make a video, but you know, we're not talking about the video itself. We're talking about the on-page optimization of the video, the title, the tags, what's in the description, all that stuff. How do you figure out those keywords? Well, I use TubeBuddy. And, you know, if I don't hit the keyword right, then it's going to be really tough for the video to rank and I won't get all that good organic traffic. That's what this boils down to. So when I log into, well, I'm already logged in, but when I get into TubeBuddy, it's got this thing called a Tag Explorer, and I'm going to pull that up. Now you can get to this from various places. One, when you're just on the dashboard of your channel, it's up here. If you're, let's just do this. If you're editing a video, TubeBuddy shows up in various places, like it gives you this cool thing about best practices, and you got a tag tool right here, so you can use this specifically. If you hit Explore, it'll bring up that same Tag Explorer. So what I did that kind of fast. What I hit right here was Explore. And so you can get to TubeBuddy in a bunch of different ways. But yeah, so we'll just start right here. And also you can get to it up here. So number one, once you load, you know, once you get TubeBuddy rolling on your account, then there's a whole ton of ways that you can get to all the same tools, which is a little confusing, frankly, but as you learn to use it, it will be less and less confusing. So the Tag Explorer, let's take a look at that. Now, I went over a couple of keyword types with my coaching group. Number one, I went over what we call an offline marketing keyword. So this would be something like if you had a client in a specific kind of business. All right. So let's say hair. I'm just free forming here, just pulling something out of my you know what. Hair. Salon. Is this a good keyword to rank a video for? That's the question. And it's fair. Okay, it's fair right here. I've seen that it's fair because the search is a little low, okay, and it's fair because the competition is a little high. Excuse me, good Lord have mercy. Apologize for that. I have found with good on-page optimization that I can rank fairly easily inside YouTube for keywords that are graded fair with Tube Explorer. So you think to yourself, you know, they do give you some possible keywords that, you know, I mean, there's a keyword suggest feature right here. And you can get trending and auto-suggested stuff and stuff like that. So you can get this. So one way of making this what we call a longer tail keyword, in other words, a keyword with more words in it that's going to be a little more specific, therefore probably would not be searched quite enough, would be to add some location stuff. Buckhead's a trendy part of Atlanta, so let's pop that in there and see if we say hair salon Atlanta Buckhead. Now, see that would be this would be brain dead easy to rank for. You're not going to get quite as much search volume. But then if you have a client who is a hair salon in Buckhead, which is part of Atlanta, or at least they want to pull, they want to rank for that, doesn't matter where they are, they want to rank for that, they may not care that the search volume's pretty low. They may be happy to pay you good money to create a video and rank that video, and they just get a few extra clients from that per year. I mean, that would, definitely pay, definitely pay for what it would cost to create the video and rank the video. You could shorten it to Hair Salon Buckhead. Here in Atlanta, I mean, we refer to Buckhead as just Buckhead, right? Again, same idea, same search volume, good competition, so that's a good keyword too. Another idea would be this. Put some sort of a word that qualifies it at the beginning. Best hair salon Atlanta. Okay, again, fair, and but because it's Atlanta's geographically a big place, right? So, but with good on-page optimization, you could pretty easily rank for this without a bunch of junk, okay? Without buying views, which is frowned upon, although people still do it because it's kind of, I wouldn't say dangerous, but it's that's a little iffy. I don't really do that for clients because I want the video pulled down, okay? Uh, but I mean, everything I do for clients is totally white hat. I mean, if you want to do this, do something like that, go for it. But and you could do things, you could do other things to help it rank, like build a playlist. What I personally do is I build playlists around keywords, not just videos, but you could build a playlist around it, have several videos, et cetera, et cetera. So that's an offline keyword. An online keyword, what I call an online keyword or an internet marketing keyword would be something like let's see I apologize for being all choked up today, but let's see. It's the crazy weather we're having. Let's see if this is going to be easy to rank for. No, this is not going to be easy to rank for. As you can imagine, it gets good search volume, but competition's really steep. Again, you would want to look at these examples down here and under the auto suggest, okay, how to create a new YouTube channel. So let's put that in there. Because what you're looking for is you're looking for well, that may have been worse. I'm not sure, but so I mean, what you're looking for, you're looking for a keyword score. What I look for is a keyword score that's either good or fair, because in my experience, especially if I build a playlist around the keywords, i.e., I create a playlist and I have a bunch of videos, a bunch, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that, videos in that playlist, all optimized for that keyword. Then I can rank for anything, for anything up to um, definitely rank for what they score is good. Absolutely, usually rank. Well, I have failed to rank for anything that's scored as fair. So let's say that so far I've been able to rank for everything that they scored as fair. So that, in a nutshell, is how you use Tag Explorer. You can, if you want to, just if you're stuck for keywords, if you're stuck for thinking about, well, what keywords should I use, I would suggest the auto suggest feature. Um, the trending feature for a lot of these longer tail keywords doesn't help that much because, as you can see, there's just not enough search volume. If you're going to have a keyword that you can rank for with just on-page SEO without a lot of other stuff, the search volume's going to be worth ranking for, but it's not going to be, it's not going to be enough to show up as trending. Auto suggest is really good. Historical, this just shows you what this has done over the past, I generally tend to use the summary part and the auto-suggested part. I'll also go out to Google, just google.com, and start typing in a keyword because they have a really good suggest feature, which I have no idea, but Google owns YouTube. I don't know if it's exactly the same technology that creates the auto-suggested, but it just gives me some more ideas, and I'll come back and pop these in here. Again, I tend to build a playlist out of the keywords instead of just a video, and so I'm quite happy to just sort of hunt and peck and find a few good keywords and then go about building out my channel by building those playlists. So hopefully you got something out of this video, and again, subscribe to my channel. It's cool. Tons of great information. This is not the only way to find keywords. It's not the only piece of software. I have no idea if it's the best piece of software or not. It's the best one of the ones that I've used, but there could be better ones. I mean, it is what it is. People are coming up with new cool stuff all the time. But I like Tag Explorer a lot, besides the fact that it does a ton of other much needed stuff that you need to build your channel. And we'll just, maybe I'll just do a whole playlist around Tag Explorer sometime, and we'll just go into all of this cool stuff. Thanks so much. My name's Lee Cole. Make sure you subscribe. See you. Bye.